Discord how to bold text. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their messages stand out when using Discord. Bold text helps highlight important information, emphasize certain words, and make messages easier to read. Many users are not familiar with formatting symbols, so they look for simple steps to learn how to use bold text correctly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser is open, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. When the search results appear, choose the official website of Discord. Click the official Discord website to open it. After the website loads, click the login button on the page. Then enter your email address in the email field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After entering your login details, click the login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, verify your account if required by following the instructions shown on the screen. After your account is verified, look for the server you want to use. Find the server from your server list on the left side of the screen. Then click the server to open it. After opening the server, locate the chat field at the bottom of the page. Click the chat field to start typing your message. To make your message bold, first type 2 asterisks in the chat field. After typing the 2 asterisks, type the message you want to send in bold format. While typing your message, you can also add an emoji if you want. To do this, click the emoji icon located on the right side of the chat field. When the emoji menu appears, click the emoji you want to include in your message. The selected emoji will be added to your text. After you finish typing your message and adding any emoji, type 2 asterisks again at the end of your message to complete the bold formatting. Make sure the 2 asterisks are placed correctly so the formatting works properly. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. After pressing Enter, your message will be sent in bold text in the chat. Other users in the server will be able to see your bold message clearly in the conversation.